Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on our YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be diagnosing a clocking sound coming from this 2008 Honda CR-V, so stick around. So first we're going to jack the car up, put her on some jack stands on all four corners and start the diagnosis. Now primarily the sound is coming towards the rear end of the car, especially when switching between the gears, between P and R and P and drive. With all four tires in the air safely, we started the car and we rolled it up. We found out that the differential bushing is actually what is making the sound. There are three 30mm bolts holding the differential bushing to the subframe. Two in the rear and one in the front. Now we're gonna remove the bolt and the nut that holds the differential to its bushing. But in order to remove the bushing, we're gonna have to remove the brackets that are bolted to the differential in order to make room and remove it. Two bolts are holding the brackets to the differential. One of the brackets is the nut and the other where the bolt slips in. With the brackets out of the way, we can drop the differential bushing. Okay guys, so here we can see the old differential bushing. As you can see, it's cracked all the way and the rubber is actually ripped apart and it was moving around. And here we have the new differential bushing that we're going to be replacing it with. As you can see the difference. I always like to compare the new part with the old part to make sure I have the right one. Here is where the differential mount goes, but as you can see there's not enough room to put it in or remove it from this side. So we removed the brackets in order to pull it out right where the differential is. So now we're gonna start fishing the new one in from the side of the differential and setting it in its place. And tighten the bolts to hold the mount in place. So now we're gonna reinstall the two brackets that hold the differential to its mount. With the bracket installed on the differential, we're gonna install the bolt that goes to the bushing. We're gonna thread in the nut and then after that, we're gonna tighten all the bolts all together. Now that we have all the bolts in place, we're gonna start torquing them down. And just like that, we finished the job and got everything back together. So we're gonna drop the car down and call the job done. With that done, we have reached the end of today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and leave a comment down below. See you on the next one. Peace.